Going down now to the Farm and Food Discovery Center, where Catherine Dow is joining us to tell us more about what's happening this weekend.
That's right. So to kick off Farm and Food Discovery Week, there's an amazing free event coming up on Sunday called Discover the Farm. It's not only about discovering kind of where your food comes from, it's also about discovering all the hard work and dedication and the Manitobans that go into producing that food. One of those hardworking Manitobans joins me now. Evy Wiebe is a chicken farmer of many years, and she's here to share her story. Evy, thanks so much for waking up and being with us this morning.
Thank you so much for having me.
So tell me a little bit about your work, Evy.
So my name is Evy, and I am a chicken farmer, and my husband and I raise broiler chickens, which are chickens raised for meat. We're second generation farmers. We've been farming since 1994 when we bought the farm from his family, his parents actually, and we've been farming for 27 years now, over 27 years, with our children, and we've just added some grandchildren to the team.
Oh, wonderful, a true family farm.
Yes.
So folks are going to be coming out here Sunday and chatting to you about the work you do. Why do you think it's important to kind of tell folks about what goes into creating the food that they eat?
So I have a lot of confidence in my industry, and I want people to know that. I want the public to know and the consumer to know that we work very hard to produce a top quality product for our fellow Manitobans, and we take the responsibility of caring for our chickens very seriously. So chickens are normal for me, but they're not normal for everyone.
Right.
So there's a lot of people who have never seen a live chicken and they've never met a farmer. So this is a great opportunity for them to see a live chicken, meet a farmer, ask us some questions, because some of the questions you have, they're perfectly valid and we love to answer them.
So you mentioned you're going to have live chickens, you're also going to have some other things first. So why should folks come out on Sunday?
Okay, so I'm excited because I'll be there. That's why you should come out.
Yeah,
Yes, so actually my husband will be joining us too, and we'll have some games and we'll have some handouts. They include some great recipes, and they also include some tips about, or facts about farming, just to help you know where your food comes from and help you understand that there's a lot of people behind the scenes producing your food with care and diligence.
People like you, Evy. Well, thank you so much for joining us. We learned about chickens. Next, we're going to be learning about eggs. Stick around. That's coming up later on CTV Morning Live.